experiment, and the name of experiment is characteristics of thermistor. So performing this experiment, we will go to the page of virtual lab vlab.amrita.edu. There is a list of experiment. I am click on the characteristics of thermistor. Now you can see there are different tabs like theory, procedure, simulator, assignment, etc. Theory is very well written, like with the diagram, formula, everything is given here. The graph will obtain here. You can see. I have recommended you first starting with theory. You read theory and understand it. So I will give you brief introduction. Aim of this experiment to plot the characteristics of thermistor and hence find the temperature coefficient of resistance. And component is thermistor, rheostat, voltmeter, multimeter, oil bath arrangement, etc. Thermistor can be classified into two types. First is positive temperature coefficient and second is negative temperature coefficient, NTC. Negative temperature coefficient thermistor resistance decrease with increase in temperature, and positive temperature coefficient thermistor resistance increase with increase in temperature. In this main experiment, what we will do it, we will check the temperature and calculate the resistance from the calculate the alpha, which is temperature coefficient. What is the value of the alpha you are getting, whether the thermistor for which you performing experiment positive temperature coefficient or negative temperature coefficient. So now this is procedure. Here two types of procedure. First is real lab and other one is a further simulation. You can see. So now we will deal with simulation procedure, and this observation table is also given here. So before performing experiment, I will recommend to draw this table in your lab record book or notebook, so that it will be easy to you note down the readings. So now we will go to the simulation process. Okay, you can see this is the experimental setup. So I will click on the circuit diagram. As you can see circuit diagram, here we will make the connection according to this diagram. So this is a battery and this is your ammeter, which will read the current, and this is your thermometer. So now positive of the battery is connected to positive of the ammeter. So we will click here and wire will pop up and connect wire like this. If you are make a wrong connection, wire will automatically not connected. Negative of ammeter is connected to the resistor, so I will connect the wire. Other side of resistor is connected to the negative of the battery, so I will connect it like this. Okay, so this is done, and the last step for the connection is I will connect this thermometer to this sensor. Okay, now connection is done. So now we are set the parameter here for thermistor are given. I will choose the first one, and this is temperature range is 25 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. It means you can build the temperature between this limit, and this is voltage tab, and voltage throughout your experiment we will be kept constant. So whatever the voltage will the select in beginning, that we be fixed. So I will choose is 0.1 volt, and I will set all parameters. Now I will click on power on. So now power is on. My thermometer is showing 25 degrees Celsius, which is the current temperature. Voltmeter is showing 0.1 volt, and this is the reading of ammeter. Right now the current is 1 milliampere. So then I will click on show graph. So now I am increase the temperature. It is your wish. It is increased steps of 5 degree or 10 degrees. So I will go for 10 degrees Celsius. So right now it is 35 degrees Celsius. Note down this temperature and note down this corresponding current. So now during this experiment you note down only two parameters. The one is temperature and the other one is the corresponding current, and voltage is fixed throughout this experiment. So again I will increase temperature at 45 degrees. So this is my current reading. Note down the temperature and current. Again take it 55 degrees Celsius. Okay, let it be 54. So like you can increase it up to 100 degree and note down all the reading, and this is now will be graph plotted. So by now you have note all value. What you are do, you will enter the value in the observation table in your notebook, or otherwise you enter value here also. The benefit of this table is all the formula are inbuilt. Only you will put the value of voltage and temperature, it will be automatically calculate. For example, I will put temperature as 25. Now it has changed in Kelvin. Current was 1. Automatically resistance will be calculated. Now my second temperature is 35. So now current is 1.4 milliampere. So this is resistance and all other parameters are calculated automatically. So like this you enter all value, and yet you can see here in the table. So 1 here using 1 by T naught, and similarly in resistance we are using R naught. So what is T naught and R naught? So T naught is your reference temperature or like initial temperature. So you started from 25 degrees Celsius. That 25 will be T naught, and T naught your current was 1 milliampere. So that is your current from that current, and voltage you can calculate R, and that will be your R naught. And then for all the other corresponding temperature they will be T, and whatever the resistance you will be calculate, that will be your R. So like this you will be calculate, and you can see here this is alpha, which is your temperature coefficient, and the negative value shows that this thermistor, the thermistor one which we have selected, it is your negative temperature coefficient resistor. So I hope this is useful to you. Now you comment. So keep experiment, and you can have any doubt in this experiment, you will ask me in comment. Thank you.